Interesting facts about airplane. Flying in an airplane is amazing. Did you know there are 4 forces that make a plane fly? They are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. The Wright brothers made the first airplane in 1903, and now airplanes can fly thousands of miles without stopping for fuel. But not all airplane stories are happy ones. In 1977, 2 planes collided on the runway and over 500 people died. Airplane travel also has an impact on the environment. As more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, the incidence of turbulence in airplanes increase. And did you know the emergency oxygen masks in airplanes only last about 15 minutes? Pilots and air traffic controllers all over the world speak English because it is the international language of flight. There are many interesting facts about airplanes, like the fact that the world's smallest jet is only 14 to 21 feet wide and weighs just 358 pounds. Or that the windshield or window frame of a Boeing 747-400's cockpit costs as much as a BMW. Some airplanes are huge, like the C-5, which is taller than 6 stories and longer than the Wright brothers' first flight. The Boeing 767 can suck in enough air through its engines to fill a Goodyear blimp in just 7 seconds. And did you know that the tires of a Boeing KC-135 jet tanker's landing gear consist of enough material to make 100 automobile tires? Many amazing women have made a mark in aviation history. Harriet Quimby was the first woman in the U.S. to become licensed to fly a plane in 1911. She was also the first woman to fly across the English Channel. Amelia Earhart was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, and she helped create an organization for female pilots called the 99s. Airplanes typically fly at an altitude of around 35,000 feet, which is only 1/10 of an inch off the surface of the Earth if the Earth were the size of a desktop globe. The world's largest passenger airplane is the Airbus A380, and the world's fastest airplane is the Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird, which has held the record for nearly 40 years. If you're ever flying and want to improve your chances of surviving an accident, try sitting in the tail of the airplane. It can improve your chances by 40%. And if you ever see a jet leaving a white trail behind it, called a contrail, know that it can be used to predict the weather. A thin, shorter tail means fair weather, while a thick, longer-lasting tail signifies an early indication of a storm. Thanks for watching.